Good morning, children. Welcome to today's session. I hope you all have completed your assignments. So, let's go for our class. Before we are going to our class, today's quotation. Okay? So, the quotation is: education is a gift that none can take away. Let's go to our class. So, Charan is twice as old as Dev. Now tell me, how do you write in a shorter way? So here Charan age is twice as Dev is. Yes. So here I will take Charan age be C. Charan age be C and Dev age be D. Okay. Now frame the equation. So here Charan is C is, this word always does is equal to. So Charan is C is equal to twice as old as Dev. So twice as old as Dev. That means twice. That means 2 times of Dev is. What is the Dev is? D. So C is equal to 2D. This is the shorter way to tell us about the statement. Okay, next one. Amir bought 5 pens more than the number of pens Ben bought. Amir bought 5 pens more than the number of pens Ben bought. So we can assume the pens bought by Amar is A and number of pens bought by Ben, that is, take B. Okay, now Amar bought pens can be written as A is equal to 5 pens more. 5 pens more. That means should leave some space and write it plus 5 plus 5. I mean 5 pens more. Okay. Next, more than what? 5 pens more than the number of pens Ben bought. That is equal to how many pens bought? Just B. So that means B. So A is equal to B plus 5. So this is the shorter way of given statement. Clear? That means Amar bought 5 pens more than Ben bought. Okay. Next, Jara sold thrice as many pens as calculator. Tara sold thrice. Tara sold thrice. That means 3 times of pens. Just take pens. Assume that pens P and calculator C. Okay. Jara sold 3 times as many pens as calculator. That is equal to C. Is it right? No. That means instead of pens, she sold calculators. Gaurav's mother is 28 years older than him. 5 years ago, she was 5 times as old as Gaurav was. So find their present age. So here 2 persons, one is Gaurav and his mother. So here they are asking find their present age. So what is the present age? We don't know. So Gaurav age be in present should take as X. Okay, Gaurav age be X. Then what is the Gaurav's mother age? So Gaurav mother is 20 years older than him. 20 years older. That means she becomes X plus 28 years. Yes. So Gaurav, let's take Gaurav is be X, then his mother be X plus 28. Now 5 years ago. 5 years ago means before 5 years. before 5 years, now present, and before 5 years means it becomes past. Yes or no? So let's take some example. The present age of Gaurav is 10 years now. So 5 years before, 5 years before means how many years he was? 5 years. That means 10 minus 5. That is equal to 5 years. Yes or no? So that means 5 years ago. 5 years ago means should go in past. That means he was x minus 5. Yes. At the same time, what is his mother is before 5 years? Yes. His mother is also x plus 28 minus 5. Clear? Yes. Now, given condition. What is the given condition? 5 years ago, we are discussing 5 years ago, that means in past. 5 years ago, she was 5 times as old Gaurav was. That means she was means in past 5 years ago, how much she was? X plus 28 minus 5, which is equal to 5 times of Gaurav. That is equal to 5 times 5 into, what is Gaurav before 5 years? X minus 5. So in this way we have to form the equation. That means it is tells the shortest way what is given the statement. Okay, so now you have to solve it. That means x plus, first of all remove the brackets, minus 5 is equal to, should multiply this two, is equal to 5x plus into minus 5 into 5, 25. Okay, now separate the variables and the constants. We have to take another step. That means plus 28 minus 5. Plus 28 minus 5 is equal to 23. Clear? Plus 23 is equal to 5x minus 25. Now separate the variables and constants. So here 5x, here also x. Should transport 5x from right hand side to left hand side. That means already we have the x. So I am sending this 5 RHS to LHS. So it becomes plus becomes minus 5x equal to, here minus 25. So plus 23. Should transport plus 23 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes minus 23. Clear? Now x, what is the difference? Is to 4x, x 1x 5x. The difference is, minus means difference. So that is equal to 4x. But which one is the greatest, 1 or 5? 5 is greater number. That means I kept negative. Is equal to, now minus 25 minus 23. Both are having same signs. That means should keep the same sign and add the values. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Next, both sides have the same negative sign. So cancel it. Next, we got x only. So should transfer 4 from left hand side to right hand side. That means 48 divided by 4. Is possible? Yes. 4 ones, 4 1, 4 twos are 8. That is equal to, x is equal to 12. What is x? Present age of Gaurav. Okay. So now what about his mother age? So his mother age is equal to 12 plus 28. Why means 28 years older than Gaurav. So 12 plus 28, that is equal to 40 years. Is it clear? Yes. Now the next sum. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. So here how many persons? 2 persons. First one Sahil and his mother. So here 2 persons are involved. One is Sahil and his mother, Sahil's mother. Okay, first one, the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So we don't know the present age, so let's take the present age of Sahil be X. What about his mother age now? That means 3 times of Sahil. 3 times of Sahil, that means 3 times, that means multiplication of Sahil's age. So now Sahil age is X and his mother age be 3X. And after 5 years their ages will be 66 years. After 5 years means, is it past or future? So future. So after 5 years means just add it. What is the present age? So after means plus 5 years of Sahil. So after 5 years, what is the age of Sahil? That is X plus 5. At the same, after 5 years, what about his mother age? That becomes 3X plus 5. Yes or no? Yes. Then after 5 years, they will be added. If their ages will be added, it will become 66. That means X plus 5 plus 3X plus 5 is equal to 66. Okay, in this way we have to got the equation. Now we find the unknown value, that is X. Then we should find the age of Sahil and his mother. Okay, let's see. So let Sahil present age be X years. His mother age is equal 3 into X, 3X years. Yes or no? After 5 years, what happened? Sahil's age be X plus 5. After 5 years plus 5. His mother age is also after 5, 3X plus 5. According to the question, if you join the two ages, you will get 66. That means X plus 5 plus 3X plus 5 is equal to 66. Now variable values X, 3X. Added this to X plus 3X. That means 4X plus 5 plus 10. Okay, is equal to 66. Now 4X is equal to plus 10. I transpose plus 10 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes negative 10. Okay, 66 minus 10, that is equal to 56. 4x is equal to 56. Now x is equal to, so 56 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 16. The remainder is 16. So 4 4s are 16. So therefore x is equal to 14. So what is x? Present age of Sahil. So present age of Sahil is 14 years. What about his mother age? His mother is 3 times of Sahil's. That means 3x. 3 into 14, 52. Clear? How do you find? Now just add it. This 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, 66. After 5 years, 66. Did you get? Yes. Next one. The number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength? So here given ratio of boys and girls in a class, that is 7:5. Okay, and one another condition, that is the boys are 8 more than the girls. So here given ratio of boys and girls, so that is 7:5. We know that when ratio is given, that numbers becomes 7x and 5x. Okay, now one another condition, the number of boys, that means boys is equal to 8 more means plus 8 than the number of girls, that is 5x, that means girls. Okay, so boys is equal to girls plus 8, that means boys are 7x is equal to 5x plus 8. This is our equation. Okay, let's see. So given the ratio of the boys and girls is 7:5. Then the number of boys is equal to 7x and the number of girls is 5x. So first one is represented for boys. Second one girls, that is 5. Okay. Now according to the question, boys is equal to girls plus 8. That means boys are 8 more than the number of girls. That is equal to 7x is equal to 5x plus 8. So now transport 5x from right hand side to left hand side. Why? Means these two are variable values. So 7x plus 5 becomes minus 5. So 5x is equal to plus 8. Okay. Now 7x minus 5x is equal to 2x is equal to 8. So now x is equal to 8 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 4s are. So x is equal to 4. What is x? It is the relation between the ratio. Therefore, the number of boys is equal to the ratio 7x. So 7x means 7 into 4, that is equal to 28. At the same time, number of girls is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. 5 4s are 20. But here they are asking total strength of the class. So total strength of the class means should add it the number of boys and number of girls. That is equal to 28 plus 20, that is equal to 48. So in this way we have to find the solution. Okay. Next sum. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of all the three is 135 years. So what is the age of each of them? So here given age of three people. One is Baichung, Baichung father and Baichung grandfather. Just observe keenly. Just Baichung father is 26 years younger than Baichung grandfather. That means who is younger? Father is younger than grandfather. That means shall I write father is younger than father. So father is younger than grandfather. That means grandfather. Okay. And 29 years older than Baichung. Who is older? Baichung father is older than Baichung. That means Baichung is younger than Baichung father. Yes or no? Baichung grandfather is older than father and father is older than Baichung. So if you understand about this concept, then our sum is very easy. So here I will write in this way: Baichung is less than Baichung father and is less than Baichung grandfather. Yes or no? So Baichung is younger than father and grandfather, and Baichung father is older than Baichung and younger than grandfather. Okay. Next, Baichung grandfather is older than Baichung father and Baichung also. Okay. Now I will take Baichung father be x. Just think Baichung father be x. So what is the first statement? Baichung father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Younger than grandfather. That means Baichung father is means equal to younger. How much younger? 26 years younger. How many years younger? 26 years younger than Baichung grandfather. That means 26 years younger. Younger means smaller. Is that no? Smaller than his grandfather. So now tell me, grandfather is older than, that means 26 older than father. Yes or no? That means Baichung father plus 26 is equal to grandfather. Shall I write in this way? Is there any problem? No. Why? Means Here the first statement is Baichung father is 26 younger. Younger means smaller. Younger than grandfather. That means grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung father. Shall I write in this way? Yes. That means I took Baichung father be x, then grandfather become x plus 26. Grandfather is become x plus 26. So grandfather becomes x plus 26. Clear? Now next one, 29 years older than Baichung. Who is 29 years older than Baichung? Baichung father only. That means older. See next one, Baichung father is 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung plus 29 years older. That means Baichung father is greater than Baichung. So Baichung father is 29 years older. Older means more than Baichung. That means I will write Baichung age become Baichung father minus 29. Means now Baichung age be 29 years less than his father is. Here Baichung father is 29 years older than Baichung. 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung becomes younger than 29 years younger than his father. Yes or no? If I am your senior, that means you are my junior. Yes or no? In this way, here Baichung age become father age minus 29. That means Baichung become younger than his father. How many years younger? 29 years younger. Clear? So Baichung is x minus 29 years. Here first one, Baichung father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. That means Baichung father is 26 younger. That means Baichung grandfather is older, 26 years older than Baichung father. So I took father as bx, then grandfather becomes older than his father. That is 26 plus 26, x plus 26. Okay. Next, and 29 years older than Baichung. 29 years older. That means 29 years younger than his father. Baichung becomes. Then Baichung becomes 29 years younger than his father. Clear? So x minus 29. Now the sum of all these three is 135. So added these all years, then you will find the age of father. Then after remaining ages of Baichung and grandfather. Okay. See. So I took Baichung father as bx, then Baichung as bx minus 29, Baichung grandfather x plus 26. Now we clear? Yes. According to the question, added this all. That means x minus 29 Baichung is plus his father is plus his grandfather is, that is equal to 135 years. So x plus x plus x. So 3x. Here minus 29 plus into plus 26 is equal to 135. Clear? Now minus 20 is x variable value. X is variable value, so leave it. 3x. Here minus 29 plus 26 minus 3 is equal to 135. Okay. Now I send minus 3 to RHS. It becomes plus 3. 135 plus 3. So 3x is equal to 138. Now x is equal to 138 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours are 12, reminders 8, 1 and 8 waiting, and 3 6 are 18. Now x is equal to 46. What is x? Yes, his father is. Okay, therefore his father is 46 years and his Baichung age becomes 46 minus 29, that is equal to 17 years. His grandfather is 46 plus 26, that is equal 72 years. Clear? Once we have to check that is it right or wrong. So added these all are 17, 46 and 72. So 7 plus 6, 13, 14, 15. 5 carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So 135. Okay, sum of these three values you got 135. Okay, right answer. Now compare what is the variation of these two. So first two variation, what is the variation? 29. And what is here? This is Baichung, this is Baichung age, and this is father age, and this one is grandfather age. Okay, now compare these two, father and Baichung. What is the difference of this Baichung and Baichung father? 29 years. Yes or no? So 46 minus 17, that is equal to 29. Clear? Next, grandfather and father, difference is 26. So 6 minus, sorry, 7, 2 minus 6, 6, then 6 minus 4, 2. Did you get? Yes. So in this way we have to find the answer. Clear? Okay. Today I will give 2 sums only for your assignment. Do it. Okay. Then after, if possible, I will explain all the exercise. And don't delay to practice. Okay. I hope you all are understand. Okay. Thank you.